Let us discuss distance method reference. It is used when you have you have a you have an existing method, and you need a logic is already available in that existing method. The method should be instance method. So if you want to invoke an existing method, or an object you can use method reference. So it is used when you have an existing method and you need a logic that is already available in that existing method. The method should be instance method, and if you want to invoke an existing method on an object, we can use method reference. Let us see this in demo. Let me give package instance method ref. So what we're going to do first, we're going to create a record student, and we have the record components string name and string id. Here are the record components we have, and this is the record statement. And now we're going to create a class named receipt printer. Receipt printer. What this class have? This class has an instance field called ticket counter. Private int ticket count, and we are initializing this with 0. Ticket count is equal to 0. Let's create a public method which is an instance method with name print ticket. that takes s of type student. Print public void print ticket student now ticket count post decrement. System.out.println you should display something like this, plus ticket count plus printing ticket for student dot name plus student dot name. Fine. Okay, we'll do one thing here. We're going to create a class only. Public class student, private string name, private string ID, and then let's generate double parameters constructor and also getters. Get name. Fine. Now let's create a demo class, printing demo. Now what this class will have? This class will have main method definition. Inside the main method, let us have some list of students with name and IDs. List students. That is import this list interface. It is available in java.util.list is equal to, and we'll take of method available inside the list interface. So new student name, let's take Alice, and ID goes to S001, S001. New student, this time name goes to Bob, and S002. New student, this time we have name goes to Charlie, and ID is S003. Fine. Now what we're going to do, we're going to instantiate receipt printer class. Receipt printer, my printer, let's take printer only, printer is equal to new receipt printer. Now first we are going to see the lambda variant, and then we are going to see the method reference variant. System.out.println using lambda. So students dot for each method. So for each takes consumer, means it doesn't return anything. The method available inside the for each consumer is accept. So student now we're invoking the on top of the object, we're invoking the method available, instance method available. So printer dot print ticket student. Let us run this. So printing ticket for Alice, printing ticket for Bob, printing ticket for Charlie. So logic is written inside this print ticket mailer. I have fixed the typos here. Now let us see the give some name break. Now using method reference. Students dot for each. Now you can simply write like this with object method reference operator, print ticket. Let us run this. So you can see the rate. It is continuing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Printed ticket for Alice, printed ticket for Bob, and printed ticket for Charlie. Fine. Let us fix this and also rename the file printing demo and rename the file. Fine. So this is how we should reference instance method using method reference, instance method reference. Thank you very much.